We're going to switch gears today and we're going to go from talking about our plurals, S and ES, to talking about ing and ed, which are both suffixes. Now, first of all, when we add the suffix ing, we talked about this a couple weeks ago for our lesson, and the ing saying ing we are now going to be talking about as a suffix. Okay, so the suffix ing, and listen carefully, ing means something is happening now. Okay, it's happening in the present tense, which is right now. Okay, so if I want to use the word swing, if I'm doing it right now, I would say I am swinging. Okay, same thing with the word run. If I want to use it for right now, I would say I am running. Okay, so ing means it's happening right now.